Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to audit your Google Tag Manager container. So for this, you can come to mangoblogger.com and under apps, you will find GTM audit. So that's this page, Google Tag Manager Container Audit. And now it's really simple. You just have to upload your JSON from your Google Tag Manager container. Under admin section, you will find export Google Tag, the container. You click on that and then you upload that file over here. So I'm just going to find the file that I have already downloaded. So this is my file and I upload it. And just like that, I can save the file that it gave me an Excel file to save. I saved that file, and once I open it, let's see. Okay, so the file that I downloaded from Google Tag Manager Container Audit page, this is the file once I upload it to Excel. Here you can see, I can see all of the tags, their names, their type, and different data related to it. It also um, gives me nice visualization of the type of my tags and variables over here, the triggers, if there are custom HTML tags, like which vendor do those custom HTML tags belong to. So really helpful in this way. Here I have all of my tags, all of the triggers, all of the variables. There you go. So that's how you can get really nice information about your Google Tag Manager container. Thank you. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.